Hello all, welcome to the day 66 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 12. The question goes like this. Read the following text carefully and answer the questions that follow. Sherlin and Danju are playing a game of Ludo at home. While they were rolling the dice, Sherlin's sister Raji watched them and noted that each roll resulted in one of the numbers from the set 1 through 6. Let A be the set of players, that is, we have two players here, Sherlin and Danju, and B be the set of all possible outcomes of the dice. Question 1. A relation R from B to B is defined by R is equal to set of x comma y such that y is divisible by x. Determine whether this relation is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. R is defined as x comma y such that y is divisible by x. That is, the second number is divisible by the first number. And this relation is from B to B. So all the elements are from B only. Now let's check if this is reflexive. For any x comma x belonging to R, x is divisible by x, which implies 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 5 comma 5, 6 comma 6 are all there in the relation R. In every ordered pair, the second number is divisible by the first number. 1 is divisible by 1, 2 is divisible by 2. The same way, 6 is divisible by 6. So, which is following the rule. So, these ordered pairs are there in R. Therefore, R is reflexive. Now, let's check whether R is symmetric. For R to be symmetric, if x comma y in R, y comma x should also be in R. For example, let's take the ordered pair 2 comma 4. The ordered pair 2 comma 4 is present in R because it follows the rule y is divisible by x, that is 4 is divisible by 2. So this is present in R. 4 comma 2, 2 is not completely divisible by 4. So this is not present in R. Therefore, R is not symmetric. Now let's check whether R is transitive. R will be transitive if whenever x comma y and y comma z belongs to R, then x comma z also in R. For x comma y in R, this implies that y is divisible by x. For y comma z in R, this implies z is divisible by y. So from these two statements, what we understand is z is divisible by x. That means x comma z is in R. Therefore, R is transitive. Combining all the three results, R is reflexive, transitive, but not symmetric. Question 2. Raji wants to find out how many possible functions can be formed from set A to set B. How many such functions exist? Number of functions is equal to n of b to the power n of a. N of b is 6 raised to the power 2, which is 36. So there are 36 possible functions from set A to set B. Question 3. A relation R on set B is given by R is equal to a set of ordered pairs have been given. Describe this relation. Set B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And R is a set of these ordered pairs. Looking at the ordered pairs, we have 2, 2 and 5, 5. 1, 1 is not there. 3, 3 is not there. 4, 4 is not there. 6, 6 is not there in R. Therefore, R is not reflexive. For 1, 2 in R, 2, 1 is not present in R. Therefore, R is not symmetric. For 1, 3 in R and 3, 4 in R, 1, 4 is not there in R, which means R is not transitive. So putting it together, R is not reflexive, R is not symmetric, R is not transitive. Question number 4. Raji also wants to know how many possible relations can be formed from set A to set B. How many such relations are possible? Number of possible relations is equal to 2 power p times q. Here p is n of A, that is 2, and q is n of B, which is 6. The number of possible relations is 2 power 2 into 6, that is 2 power 12, which is 4096. There are 4096 possible relations from set A to set B. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.